nakuha nyo sila.
Sanay Bagwis is more than a training activity. It is a shared commitment, a reminder that every airman plays a vital role in keeping our Air Force strong, ready, and mission capable. As you go through these training exercises, embrace every lesson, support your fellow airmen, give your best in every task. The habits, skills, and mindset you develop here will follow you whenever you serve. They will strengthen your units, sharpen your readiness, and inspire those around you. Let this training reignite your sense of purpose, pride, and responsibility as guardians of the Philippines and to the Filipino people. I hereby declare Sanay Bagwis Hero 2 2020-25 officially open.
Ang sigaw na dati bulon, sulong laban, wag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulon. Posible. Kayang matikman, tamis ng gintong minimithi. Sa kagat ng bawat laban, magtatagumpay kang muli. Sulong laban, wag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible, sulong laban, wag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible. Sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible, sulong laban, Pilipino. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong.
your dedication, your commitment to excellence. Together, you will continue to strengthen the Philippine Air Force and soar even higher, with an unwavering resolve to protect our skies and our nation. Mabuhay ang Philippine Air Force, mabuhay po tayo.